Tonight, Siosi'ana wears a sarong that tells the story of Tonga's beauty, faith, and future. The ocean, wrapping around her like a promise, symbolizes our eternal connection to God and creation, ever flowing, ever strong. It is the same ocean that carried our ancestors across the Pacific, guided not only by stars, but by divine trust. In this fabric, I carry that same courage. Each knot is tied with purpose. One for tradition, the stories passed down from generation to generation. One for perseverance, the strength of Tongan women who rise with grace through every storm. And one for the future, the dreams we carry for our people, shaped by faith and by unity. Hibiscus flowers complement her silhouette, honoring the beauty of our land and the strength rooted in our femininity. The flowing waves speak of Pangaimotu, the island I proudly represent, where land meets sea and heritage meets hope. This sarong is not simply clothing, it is a canvas of meaning. Subtle Christian symbols are layered throughout, because we are a nation dedicated to God, and I am a daughter of that promise. As she walks, may every step reflect the values she holds dear: faith, heritage, and love. May it remind us that even the smallest island carries great purpose, and the future of Tonga will always be strong when built upon the foundation of our past. Wrapped in culture, tied with faith, and led by purpose, she is proud to represent the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Lavulo Taumoepeau.